The Pfaff Creative 1.5 sewing machine does include pressure adjustments. This dial on the left side of the machine allows the foot to maybe be less or more depending on your fabric. Tell you the truth, most time I would want it less. So a smaller number would be the foot coming down on the fabric, but just gently, so ever so softly, putting the pressure on it and then gliding over it. So if I had something very stretchy, maybe very lightweight, having the lesser pressure adjustment can really make a difference. Now don't forget that if you do make it less so it comes out smoother, you got to remember to put it back. Otherwise, your next time you sew, you'll really not find the greatest sewing coming out of your machine. If you have some heavier fabrics, I have been known to increase the tension, or not tension at all, pressure, and really help keep that fabric getting pulled through the machine. So just like I said, remember if you have any little fingers that come visit you and things don't feel right, just double check. Is that at normal? Most of the time, that's probably what you're going to leave it at because you've got that fabulous IDT for helping those fabrics always have a nice smooth feel and stitching as they go through your machine.